What's up everyone, welcome to the Knowledge channel, and in this quick tutorial we are going to fix Samsung Galaxy A72 or A82 hotspot or Wi-Fi not working issue. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and I'll start a video without wasting any time. So to fix Wi-Fi or hotspot not working properly issue on A72 or A82, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.